How to find user ID on Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for how you can easily find your user ID on Toobit for support, transactions, or account verification, then here is how you can easily do it. First things first, launch open your Toobit application on your smartphone or your tablets. You can also visit your Toobit website and log into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon, and you will then be able to see your information. At the top, you'll see your nickname. Go ahead and look underneath the nickname and you will see this UID option. Tap on it and your user ID will be copied on your device's clipboard. You can also write it down on a piece of a paper or somewhere safe. Your user ID is often required when contacting Toobit support or verifying your account. And that's it. Now you can easily find your Toobit user ID quickly and safely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.